Gene Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here with your overnight outlook. Take a look first. We have some winter storm warnings and some wind chill advisories here in the Appalachian area. We have some hard freeze advisories down in the south, and we have blizzard warnings along the coasts of Maine. Excuse me, along the coast of the lakes, not of Maine. My apologies there. Current temperatures, 20 in Roanoke, 21 in Lynchburg, 13 in Bluefield, and 23 in Danville. It looks like we're having some issues with some of our stations here in the Roanoke Valley. Maybe it's the cold, windy weather. But Blacksburg, no report. Lilacs, Lewisburg, Hot Springs, Staunton, and Martinsville, no reports. But Bluefield showing where we're going tonight towards the Roanoke Valley, 13. The national temperatures, 25 in Washington, 17 in Louisville, 22 Kansas City, 10 in Chicago, 1 in Minneapolis, 50, which is very cold for Miami, 61 in Los Angeles, and 48 in Seattle. Nothing's going on our radar, so let's take a look at the synoptic maps. Below moving off, we have the lake effect snow continuing, and we have a new system moving into the west as it moves in. Heavier precipitation, another 2 feet of snow may happen with the lake effect snow here in the Syracuse area, and as it moves along, the winds continue and the snow continues. And what may occur by Thursday is this low pressure system this is a Wednesday look, will move towards the south of the Roanoke area, which will overtake some snow and freezing rain and sleet in the area. We're going to have a breakdown of our snow totals here momentarily. And here's where our maps are going. We can see it moves in the Tennessee Valley, and we'll continue on as it moves towards North Carolina. This is going to bring enough cold air down to make some winter precipitation in the Triad and Roanoke regions. Right now I'll make a call about 1 to 3 inches of snow in the Roanoke Valley because we're going to have some mixing going on, which may be interesting in itself. We may have some freezing rain and some sleet as a period where we have the atmosphere is not going to exactly be effective for all snow at this current time. So stuff we got to keep an eye on. And you see as it moves off the coast, makes no hook up the east coast. So nothing with the Thursday event here on the east coast. As we try to get another low to develop 7 days out, which is going towards the weekend. And that's going to even be more interesting because we're going to show you that in the GFS model. This is 144 hours from now. This is cranking a low pressure system off the coast of New Jersey. So this is going to rise in this area and then move up the coast, which would affect then Roanoke, D.C., through New Jersey, up through New York. So this could be an interesting storm, and that zero line shows where the cold air has entrenched. So this will be cold enough for all to have snow, except for maybe right along the coastline. Wind advisory in Beaufort and Franklin counties, up to 50 mile an hour wind gusts, and 0 to 10 in our wind chills. Wind chill advisory for -10 and 50 mile an hour wind gusts here in the Roanoke Valley. And then we get some snow, 3 to 6 inches back here in the highlands, 6 to 12 in the higher elevations of the Allegheny highlands. And you can see 11-inch marks here back towards Tazewell and Bluefield, so west of Bluefield. So this is going to be some pretty good snow and the lake effects coming up here. And this is not even including what you may see on Thursday. Roanoke forecast, 14 tonight, breezy. Winds gust to 50 miles an hour, -0, sub-zero wind chills. 24 only on Tuesday, which is going to be very cold Tuesday, with winds also close to 50 miles an hour. 15 Tuesday night, 32. Wednesday setting up for a chance of snow. Wednesday night, like I said, 1 to 3 inches looks to be what we're going to be looking at. Just off the beginning of what I'm seeing at this current time of snow. This could go up a little bit depending on the track. We're going to check back in tomorrow. I'll give you more of an updated snowfall, but that's my first call. And we're going to have wintry mix Thursday and Thursday night. So we're going to have a pretty brutal time of snow, sleet, and freezing rain Thursday and Thursday night. So we may have ice as more of a situation than snow in this event. We have to keep an eye on it. And then Triad, 15 degrees tonight, 30 on Tuesday, 15 on Tuesday night, 36 on Wednesday. Chance of snow, I'm thinking about 1 inch to 2 at this current time for the Triad. Something close to what we're going to have here in the Roanoke Valley. Then the wintry mix kicks in for Thursday, but then it'll warm up and turn all-terrain for Thursday night in the Triad. At least that's what the current thinking is with the Weather Service and myself now at this current time. So we have a wintry situation coming up here in the Roanoke Valley and the Triad, and the weekend may come to another situation. So stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for the latest of weather information. I'm going to play something here that I was requested to do by a lot of the members on the chat earlier. It's something I created. It's called Elf Yourself. That came through Facebook. I put some of our meteorologists from liveweatherblogs.com pictures with the pictures of me, Mr. Garino, Mr. Masco, Bob Caprio, and Mike DeFino. So we're going to have a nice little time here. One moment. Merry Christmas from liveweatherblogs.com.